So right guys, this is a running trade. This is what a running trade on volatility 10 index. So the particular video I showed you before this particular one, the strategy I showed you there is still the same strategy I am making use of to trade live on volatility 10 index. Do you understand? It's still the same strategy. That simple profitable strategy is still the same strategy I am using right now. Do you understand? So as you can see, this is what a running trade. This is what a running trade. Now I will show you why I am selling volatility 10 index. I will show you why I am selling volatility 10 index. Do you understand? So this is what a running trade. This is what a live trade. All right, now let me take you to the charts and show you why I am on this particular trade, volatility 10 index. Do you understand? All right, this is what our charts. This is what our charts. Now this is the reason why I am on this trade. As you can see, it is what a running trade. Like as I explained in my previous video, I showed you that with the help of these two lines, these two envelopes, indicator lines, the red line and the green line. Now I am on sell on volatility 10 index. I am on sell on volatility 10 index because the candlestick, look at it, the candlestick crosses the red line. The candlestick crosses the red line of envelopes indicator. Do you understand? So as you can see, here is what my stop loss. No, this is my stop loss here, and this is the green line. Like as I explained in my previous video, I told you that whenever you are selling, the green line of envelopes indicator will serve as your stop loss. Now, when you are buying, the red line will serve as what? Stop loss. So, on this case now, I am selling. I am selling, and the green line of envelopes indicator stands as my stop loss. So, where to place my stop loss? Do you understand? So, as you can see, this is what a live trade. This is what a running trade on volatility 10 index 1 hour time frame. This is exactly what I explained in my previous video, the video before this particular one. This is exactly what I explained. You understand? So that is still the same strategy I am making use of right now, trading live on volatility 10 index. So on my screen now, you will see the reason why I am selling volatility 10 index on 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? As you can see, the trade is what is running. All right. Now this is today. Look at this. Let me show you this. This is October. This is 11th October. As you can see on my screen now, this is 11th October. So this is what a live trade going on right now with this same strategy. Do you understand? So like as I said, this is a highly profitable strategy. Do you understand? You can trade, you can make use of it and record massive profits. Do you understand? All right, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are shared. So this is to prove to you that this particular strategy is highly profitable. Now, when the candlestick, look at this point here. Look at these points. I was on buy when the candlestick crosses this green line. Do you understand? I bought here. I bought at this point. Do you understand? I bought at that point and I recorded the massive profit. Do you understand? And currently I am on what? On sell. Are you seeing it? Because the candlestick crosses this red line of envelopes indicator. Do you understand? So this is what a highly profitable strategy. Now let me show you how to set up the for those that have not watched the previous video. Now let me show you how to set up the envelopes indicator. Do you understand? All right, so here what the envelopes indicator. So this is what the settings for the envelopes indicator. The period is 84, shift 0, deviation 0.10, method exponential, apply to close. So here what the upper band and the lower band. So those two lines you saw on my chart, that are what the upper band and the lower band, and here what the green line which represents the upper band, and here what the lower band, the red line. Do you understand? So this is just the only indicator you need, envelopes indicator, to record a massive profit. Do you understand? All right. So as you can see, the thread is still what? The thread is still running. Do you understand? The thread is still running. So in few hours from now, I will be recording in hundreds of dollars. As easy as that. Do you understand? Alright, don't forget, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are shared. Thank you.